Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we got to see some good selling pressure yesterday on the chart of gold because after making a high of 2726 we felt that at one point after this correction, okay, gold would be going up again and gold would continue the bullishness. But yesterday we got a small surprise here when gold formed these big red candles, and this was the main reason I told you guys that we had support around 2691 2687, but those are minor support, and every level have some minor levels and major levels, and as expected our major support around 2675 2680 work perfectly. Okay, so you can see that I have drawn few lines on the chart, black lines, so these are the levels for the day. So let's try to understand them one by one. But before I begin, okay, I would like to show you something, my dear friends. This is a scam going on in my name. You can see it's a big community. Okay, 10,000, more than 10,000 subscribers here. Okay, so it is a big group going on in my name. It's a scam in the Telegram community. Please be careful because it is taking money from the innocent people. And okay, just be aware. Okay, because I have received few emails and messages that okay, that many scams going on in my name. So already I have consulted a lawyer. Okay, but these are like mushrooms, so you can never stop them. Okay, so be careful. Please stay away. So right now gold is trading around 2687. This is the current market price around this area. And if you already have taken a buy somewhere around here, you can continue with the buy position. But you also need to keep in mind that today is Friday. Okay, so do not fry your accounts. And we have seen in the last couple of months that market becomes crazy in the US session. So in the US session, if you see that there is a sudden volume in the market, there is a sudden um, spikes in the market, okay, try to avoid. We do not have any news, but still, if you see the technicals are not working, then as a beginner, new trader, just stay aside and just watch the market. That's it, because you don't need to trade on each and every session. When fundamentals and technicals will work according to expectation, then you should trade, not always. So it's better to wait and watch than to fry your account. So be careful during the US session. Okay, and during the US session, okay, if you see the market is going down, okay, we can look for a sell below 2675. Okay, yeah, yesterday's support, okay, is a level below which we can look for a sell during the US session, because if a drop comes, okay, I think okay it will be good enough and we can look for a sell below it. Where is the next support on the chart of gold? The next support on the chart of gold is around 2663 to 61. This is the next support. But be careful, okay, because volume will be playing a major role here. For example, if you see that after breaking 2675, market forms a big red candle, then obviously this support will not work. In that case, forget about buy, continue with the sell position. But if you see that the selling pressure is not very high, market is trying to take support around 266 to 61, market is showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. Okay, so if market goes down from here, we can look for a sell below 2675 area and buy around 266361. Volume will play a major role. Observe and then only take the decision. And as I said, okay, if you already have a buy, you can continue with the buy position. And if we see market going up, we can look for a buy above 2694 as well. Above this area we can look for a buy. Do not expect much. 40 to 50 pips also good enough, because we have immediate resistance around 2700 to 2701. If you are a risk level, scalping is your trading strategy, okay, then you can look for sell around 2700 2701, because of previous support acting as resistance, support becoming resistance. We also have the 50 moving average that will also be acting as resistance. So I'm not sure about 2700 okay, if market reverses, then only as a scalper you can look for a sell position. Otherwise, okay, if market breaks this area, we can look for a buy. Okay, and these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now, because see, we do not have much time left. During the US session, things might get crazy, so I'm just looking for opportunities before the US session only, because US session brings volume and if volume is very high, okay, then obviously reversals will not work. And my dear friends, you must already know that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is starting again from the month of December. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, so it's a workshop, okay, designed for those people who are struggling with the market. So my dear friends, okay, if you're interested, feel free to check out. The link is in the description. The dates are mentioned here. 7 days workshop plus 1 month support. So if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money, and yes, this workshop can be very useful because you will also get options for personal sessions as well. Everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, feel free to check out. All the details are here. If you have any questions, doubts, you can also WhatsApp here, or after the payment, okay, you can just share the screenshot here. I will add you to the group. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.